Hello educators and welcome to Module 3. Module 3 builds on Module 2. So you've completed a lesson plan for your diverse learners. Now we're going to think about high impact strategies. So what are those strategies that we can have planned and ready to go that really takes that learner to a higher level? Engages them cognitively so that they are thinking critically about their learning. When we talk about high impact strategies, we're talking about things like writing to learn, and I'm really going to encourage you to focus on writing across the curriculum. We're talking about using graphic organizers so that students can organize their thoughts and organize the content in a way that helps them learn and takes them to the next level. We're talking about summarizing. What is it that I have already learned? So I've been engaged in a lesson for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, whatever the age is appropriate for students. And what is it that I have already learned as a learner? So how do we help students summarize their learning? Number heads is a high impact strategy that you will read about. And again, just like modules preceding this one, it's set up the same. We're going to start with a reflection to get you thinking about this topic, where there's a video from me that talks about instructional strategies and encourages you to think about writing to learn. Writing is a higher order skill. Think about all of the things that have to take place for you and I to write. Everything that we have to think about and process before we actually write and make it cohesive so that someone else can understand our thoughts. So very, very good practice. You have videos again, your discussion forum, which is a strong tool for collaboration, application, another reflection, and then your assessment. Your assessment is writing another lesson plan including higher order thinking. And when you look at your rubric, you'll notice that on the accomplished for this, you will have one or more high impact strategy included in your lesson. The strategies are clearly implemented. You have an opportunity to formatively assess students' understanding and then have a plan for taking them to the next level. So as you're going through your reading and your writing and your videos, think about that end in mind, that assessment and that strong lesson plan that you're going to create. You have some additional resources here if you are ready for them. I have placed in your additional resources. Remember last module, I talked to you a little bit about your school improvement plans and how those plans are expected from the state. And here are 2 standards from NC STAR that you can take a look at that kind of aligns with these high impact strategies. So these may be standards that your school is working on. These may be standards that are currently in your school improvement plan. So they may be familiar to you. So let's go a little bit deeper with our lesson planning and making sure that we have high impact strategies in those lessons so that we are holding students accountable for critical thinking and we are setting them up for success. Enjoy teaching.